Yep. So I have added 4 spoons of baking soda, I guess. Now let me close it. Now I'm gonna add this 4. Now I need some blue color. You know what? You can use any color you want. I'm gonna add bit of water. Now let me mix real quick. I think so I need a bit of more of water. Yep, I do. A bit more, please. It's already starting to suck it in. Yup, yeah. Is it working? The answer should be, I think so, kind of yes. But still, I think so it's a no. But I think so I should add a bit of more water. I added too much. Yeah, I need too much of water. Yup, it's turning into the gummy type of thing. But do not eat this. Yup. It's working. Yep, it did work. See, it became like a gummy type. But do not think of eating it, kids. Even I am a kid, right? Ew. This kind of looks very bad. But still, it's worth it. It was really good. This experiment is really good. Yep, and this happened to the lemon. Guys, if you had liked this video, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Sanchali and Arnali Vlogs, and don't forget to ring the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video with others, and bye bye.